I'm doing a video that I've wanted to film for a while because I've owned these for a while, and my Doc Marten videos do so well. And I know these probably aren't, I don't know, maybe they are the same popularness as Doc Marten sandals. I don't know if they are, but I wanted to chat to you about my new Crocs classic slides. I think that's what these are called. They're just the classic slider Crocs. And I picked these up probably 2 or 3 weeks ago now, and I have been wearing them to death. So I just wanted to chat to you about them a little bit because I think they're a really great purchase. I think they're really fun. They're really like current. I think everyone's loving these at the moment. And I just wanted to give you kind of like my review, sort of first impressions, and a little bit of how I've been styling them as well. So basically, these are the Crocs classic sliders. So I think these are around the £20 mark. Top tip, if it's your first time shopping on the Crocs website, make sure you sign up to their mailing list because I think it's an extra 20% off as well. So I got these for such a good price. And I know that Crocs are blowing up the Instagram influencer world at the moment because I think they are totally one of those like Marmite clothing items. Like people either like love them or they hate them. I haven't gone for the full-blown clog Croc yet, but this is kind of like my gateway into it, I'd say. And after seeing how comfortable these are, I am very tempted to get myself a pair of proper Crocs. When do you call them clogs? Proper Crocs as well, because I love these. So yeah, as you can see, this is the slide. It's quite like a chunky, plasticky slide with this one band across the front. I know you can also get this with, excuse me, with the split band as well, so it's got the two, but I went for the one that's just got the one. These come in a wide range of colours. They've also got like a whole pastel range as well, but I'm loving like brights at the moment, so that's why I went for the yellow. But they do have a whole pastel range, which is really cute. They've got them in the actual clog Crocs, and they've got them in the slides as well. But I went for the yellow. I stayed true to size in these. I went for a size, so I'm a size 4 or 37, and I went true to size, and I feel like they fit me really well. They are comfortable. The only bit that is on one foot here has rubbed me a tiny bit, but I've broken them in now and they're fine. But they weren't, for me anyway, they weren't comfortable like straight away. Like that did rub a tiny bit at the beginning, so I would, something to note, but obviously that's not going to be the same for everyone. It's got the little toe space here inside, so you can kind of see this like comfort area just so your foot fits in there really nicely and comfortably, which I'm a big fan of. And you don't kind of feel any of these bumps when you're walking in. If anything, it's just good grip on the bottom. They are like really good grip, so you don't like slide around or anything. They're really comfortable in terms of that. And I've just been using these as my like shoes that I just chuck on. And obviously I'm working from home, but if I'm like popping out for a coffee, these are like my chuck on shoes. I just chuck them on and head out basically, and I really love that about them. So yeah, they are super comfy except for that one bit which gave me a blister, but now I've gotten over that. They are unbelievably comfortable. So that's, if you have any questions about them, leave them down below and I can answer them for you. I'm also going to leave the link for you to shop these down below as well if you want to shop them. Like I said, I was true to size. And another thing I wanted to talk about was, I think they're called gibbets. So I picked up a few gibbets to go on these, but I think I'm going to like completely fill them because I love that look. All of mine so far were from the Crocs website, but I know you can just get them on Etsy and stuff like that. These ones that say Crocs on them do come on the shoes, but obviously if you don't want to have your shoes heavily branded, you can then like just pop these out. And I was a little bit worried about these, but they are like, you can kind of see there, they're like flat, oh it's that, flat on the back, so they don't like, you don't feel them at all when you're wearing them. But that, I was a bit worried about like putting loads on here and then being able to feel them, but you can't at all. I think they're about £2.99 the gibbets on the website, but like I said, if you want something a bit more like a bit different, you can get them off Etsy as well. I know Etsy has like Powerpuff Girl ones, like crystal ones, a whole bunch of cool ones, but I went for this little unicorn, of course, which is so cute. I also went for an E and this little cat, which I didn't realise at the time. I don't know if we were able to see, but she, yeah, you could, yeah, and I don't know if we were able to see that. She flashes like, you know, like light up trainers. Can you see that? Yeah, so she, yeah, like when you walk, she flashes like light up trainers, which I didn't know, but I just thought it was a cute princess cat, so I picked that one up. But I love the idea. I noticed loads of people like use the letters to like spell things out across the croc, which I think is so cute, or do like initials and stuff, so I might get another one for that one. But yeah, I'm definitely going to fill these up. I might even take the Crocs ones out and just fill them up with a whole bunch of other stuff. But yeah, so that's a little review of these. In terms of what I've been wearing them with, I have literally been pairing them with everything, to be completely honest. They're like really easy and comfortable, and they're so fun. Like I was just wearing like a big oversized jumper and leggings and these the other day, and I felt like it really like jazzed my outfit up. I just think they're a super fun shoe, really comfortable, and also like a really affordable price for like how comfortable they are, and how like well made and designed they are as well. Like they're such a great price, and yeah, just a big fan of these, so I really wanted to mention them. If you enjoyed the video, guys, or you want to know more about these, like how I style them, or if you think I should get a pair of the actual clog ones and do like a styling chatty unboxing video about those, then do let me know in the comments below. Hit a like on the video, obviously, if you've enjoyed it throughout, and I would love if you could hit that subscribe button, especially if you've made it to this point in the video, because we are so close to 9k, and I really want to hit it. It means so much to me and so much to the channel, so yeah, that would mean a lot if you could hit the subscribe button to stay updated for future videos. I am currently uploading videos every Monday and Friday at 6 p.m. I'm doing so well to get that Friday video out as well, but it's easy when you're just doing content like a little shoe unboxing. But I knew I had to talk about these, like with the way my Doc Martin videos do. Oh my god, I knew I had to talk about these because I feel like they are on the same level. I also was going to say about those Doc Martin videos, I'm thinking maybe do I get a new pair this summer? I've bought basically a new pair of Doc Martens every summer for the past 3 years, so I'm thinking maybe I need a new pair this summer. But let me know what you think. If you're picking up any quirky weird shoes in your upcoming shopping trips, then let me know what you're kind of leaning towards, because yeah, I think these are absolutely awesome, and I would really like something similar or something more fun to chat about. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.